Alright guys, so I ended up fucking welding the seams down just because I was working with the body filler, and this thing is a fucking bitch to work with. What's up everybody, welcome back. This is day 2 of welding this motherfucking bay, and as you see right here, we got pretty good progress. We got some holes right here welded on, well tacked. I actually welded them myself. First time welding in like 10 years since I used a fucking welder, and I can't say they're professional welds, but they did the job, you know what I'm saying? And hopefully they fucking hold on. But they look pretty good, pretty satisfied. And I'm just gonna do the last little holes that need to be plugged. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a little video here of me putting in work. Like I said before, don't be afraid to try things on your own, and you just gotta take that step and just do it. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, check it out. I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I got done here. There it is. And hopefully these last little holes that I'm gonna cover up, so I can throw on that body filler and start sanding this bitch and get ready for paint. You see I got these down. Those holes here, some holes here. I'm gonna try to cover these two. And then I got this one done. My brother did these, and right there, you see over here, got down some right there, up there. My brother did those right there, and I need to cover still this one right here. I'm gonna chop this thing off. I'm gonna chop this one off because I don't need those, and probably weld this motherfucker here. I don't know what the fuck that is for. And I'm gonna cut this bitch off and then try to weld that. Yeah, that seems, and then this hole right here is hidden. Then I'm gonna grind down these holes. I mean these little spots here. Not grind them all the way down, but just like grind it down so I could put some body filler to cover them up. And I don't think I'm gonna weld these down. Just gonna leave it like that. I was gonna do the whole fucking beam here, just weld it all down, go the extra mile. But honestly, being in my shoe right now, it ain't fucking worth it for me. I mean, it would look way fucking cleaner, right? But that shit looks like a fucking bitch. You know what I'm saying? And I wanted to get this thing done as quick as possible. I don't want it to be another month delay. I want to have the engine bay ready, so as soon as I get the engine in, boom, just drop it. Alright guys, enough talking. I'll put some work in right now. There it is, the beauty. Just gonna put in that work. And don't laugh at my welding, because I'm warning you guys, it ain't the best welding. I'm just literally just filling in holes. That's it. And grinding them down. Check it out.
Get haters on a bit.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I know they don't like me. They scared to come try me. You scared to come try me? You try me, I got it. You know that I got it. The pistol in the moment I cock and I pop it. You know I'ma pop it. I'm aiming at your head, and nigga gon' drop it. Y'all nigga gon' drop it. You nigga be playing, you know that we drop shit. My nigga, we drop shit. We pull up on opposite, nigga, we pop shit. You know that we pop shit. These nigga callin' 12, but they can't stop this. Nah, real bitch. Nah, for real. I'm zone sit, nah, for real, nigga. Nigga like to sell cocaine, go kill, nigga. Trick, nigga, we raw, nigga, nah, for real, nigga. EA, what's the deal, nigga? On the deal, nigga. King of the fucking hill, nigga. Top of the apartment, young nigga, what for real, nigga? Toe tag and catch a body at a young age. AK, SK, 38, throw
pretty much done right here. Probably gonna grind it down and finish these little holes, and we should be good to start laying down some body filler. So yep. Alright guys, so I end up fucking welding the seams down just because I was working with the body filler, and this thing is a fucking bitch to work with. It's too slimy. It's not like regular Bondo. So my whole idea was to keep the creases in there so I wouldn't have to do any much work. But I still had to add filler on these little grinding spots that I grinded down. But there's no way I could save these creases from that filler. You know what I'm saying? It's just gonna make a mess. So it's either just smear it all with just body filler, or just weld it all down, grind it, and then there you have it, you know. I'd rather just fucking weld this to be more safe. You know what I mean? So then I know it wouldn't crack. I mean, it's not the best fucking weld, you know. I'm saying anybody could do this shit. You could do this shit. Have 10 years without using a welder, and you know, fuck it, as long as it fucking holds on, it's gonna be grinded off anyway, you know what I'm saying? It's like you're not making a big old fucking project where you probably can cause some harm and shit just to hide the fucking creases, man. But so far looking good. I still need this side. You see, I already added some body fillers on the areas that were grinded down. But this thing, I just had to stop here just because I was debating on welding this and filling it all with body filler. But I mean, I already welded it down. Sounds good. Keep it up. Alright guys, finally done welding. As you see, I got the panels done. Decided to do a little corner over there. Pretty ugly, but it's gonna be grinded down. Did all this. You know what I'm saying? There it is, and the other side. There it is, guys. Now time to grind. Make this shit smooth. See how it turns out. Okay guys. This right here is the 3M short strand reinforcement filler. Check it out. This is what it is. So it only gives you 3 to 5 minutes to apply it. That thing will dry quick, so you gotta be fast. And it comes, I got it on eBay for like 50 bucks. And it comes with its own hardener. This is not the same as Bondo. I heard this stuff is stronger, and it's really hard to work with. Honestly, it's like slime. Trying to put slime in your fucking car. And it's stringy. It's not like Bondo, clayish, you know. So you mix it. Make sure all that hardener gets on there pretty good. And you only give you 3 to 5 minutes, so you gotta hurry to apply. I'm gonna start. I'll show you guys right now when I apply this. Just that I'm trying to hurry up before, because it gets hard real fast. I'm trying to do it so I can at least cover up the welds. Make sure you don't do a lot of mass, because this thing is really hard to fuck with here. So the less mass, the less sanding you gotta do. So I got that down. There it is. Everything covered up. Marglass, body filler. And then sanding will be next, and another layer until I get it perfect, nice, evened out. But so far so good. I'm satisfied. Hell yeah. Look at this shit. It's already dry. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta sand it, but that's some other day. I'm fucking tired. Been out here since fucking 9 in the morning. It's already like 4 in the afternoon. So, yep, I'm gonna call it a day. There you guys have it. That welding session with the body filler video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And yeah, just stay tuned. We got more coming. And this ain't the last video happening to this fucking car. We got more shit, sanding, painting, engine install, detail, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, thank you guys for watching. This is your boy, Minty SRT, crazy hair Mexican YouTube blogger. And like that, we're out. Peace, fam.